Hello, my name is Alfen Zainuddin. Me and my partner has been chosen Tesla for our Principle of Management assignment 2. For introduction, Tesla has been established since 2003, based in Texas, America. Tesla, as an American global automotive and clean energy firm, has founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Teppernin, and later in 2004, Elon Musk joined Tesla. Tesla's first product, Roadster, has been launched in 2008. Up to this day, Tesla has been operated in over 50 countries spanning multiple continents, including North and South America, the Middle East, Asia Pacific, and Europe. Tesla has a network of production plants that also known as gigafactories to cater their core businesses. There are 7 gigafactories in USA, Germany, and China. Tesla's ultimate goal is to speed up the world's transition to sustainable energy. This objective is fulfilled through a wide range of products and services. Tesla core businesses includes battery electric vehicle, stationary battery energy storage ranging from the domestic to the grid scale, and the solar panel, as well as a network of charging infrastructure and associated services. For Tesla milestone, 2003 the establishment of the Tesla, 2008 Roadster, Tesla first product has been launched and entered the market. For 2012, Tesla introduced Model S, a flagship luxury electric sedan known for its performance and technology. 2015, Tesla introduced another range of product, Model X, a premium SUV offering a spaciousness and unique features. And at the same time, Tesla introduced Powerwall to the market, which is Tesla entered the home battery storage market. For 2016, Tesla introduced solar panel to the market as a new product line, and Tesla also increased its solar energy presence with the acquisition of the Solar City. For 2017, Tesla introduced the Model 3, a more affordable electric sedan that focuses on efficiency and technology. For 2020, Tesla introduced Model Y, a popular electric compact SUV. And for 2023, Tesla introduced Cybertruck, a futuristic electric pickup truck with a stainless steel exoskeleton. For the first component, planning is a fundamental aspect of Tesla operational strategy. It provides direction and ensures that organizational goals are carried out efficiently. Vision and mission. Tesla mission statement serve as a cornerstone for its strategic strategy. The overarching goal is to substantially alter the energy and transportation industry rather than simply building electric automobiles. Elon Musk's master plan, described in stages, show the long-term vision. Begin with developing a high-end, low-volume vehicle. Second, use the money to create a medium-volume automobile with a reduced price. Third, use the fund to develop a cheap, high-volume vehicle. Fourth, give the solar power. This staged strategy demonstrates a defined strategic roadmap that guides resources allocation and technology progress over time. Market and product planning. Tesla product development strategy includes ongoing innovation and a willingness to disrupt industry norms. The business purposefully began the automotive industry with a luxury electric car to establish its technological capabilities and brand image before transitioning to more mass-market vehicle. Financial planning. Tesla financial strategy includes considerable capital expenditure, primarily for growing production capacity and investing in R&D, particularly in artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. Second component, organizing function. Organizing function relates to the process by which a manager allocates resources, assigning tasks, and structure department within an organization to effectively execute the planned goals. In Tesla organization structure, Tesla generally uses a functional organization structure with a global functional center covering disciplines like design, technology, engineering, finance, sales, and marketing, all reporting to the consolidated headquarters in USA. This structure enables more simplified procedure and consolidate strategic direction. For working culture and collaboration, the atmosphere in the Tesla fosters bold innovation, especially in sectors where established players have failed. Encourage staff to use first principle thinking to generate innovative solutions to issues. Thinking out of the box, the work culture at Tesla has always fostered a desire to challenge the existing quo and experiment with alternative techniques in all elements of the businesses, from product development to the marketing and HR. The one is direct communication, effectively expressing the company aim of sustainability to inspire employees and build a sense of purpose, which frequently result in high level of dedication and extended working hours. CEO Elon Musk encourages staff to communicate directly with everyone, regardless of rank, to solve problems fast and eliminate bureaucracy. For resource allocation, careful resource allocation ensures that all departments, whether R&D, production, or marketing, are optimally supported. Human resources play a vital role where companies need to hire the suitable person that fit all criteria to deliver the task. Furthermore, strong team dynamic facilitate collaboration among diverse teams, promoting synergy that ultimately enhance productivity and accelerate progress toward achieving Tesla ambitious goal. For financial, since Tesla is dealing with technology and innovation, company has allocated big budget for R&D team to deliver and improve on AI and autonomous driving capabilities. Third component is leading function. Leading function in management is a process of influencing and motivating staff members to strive toward the organization goal. It focuses on the art of managing people rather than just a task. In other words, leader function by giving guidance, inspiration, and support the team member to make sure they are actively working toward the company objective. Leadership at Tesla is characterized by a visionary approach, prominently exemplified by the CEO Musk. His transformational leadership style not only challenges the status quo but also encourages creativity and risk-taking in pursuit of unprecedented goals. Musk's visionary leadership inspires people and industry to prioritize sustainable transportation and energy. Musk promote an innovative culture by pushing people to question conventional wisdom and challenge existing norms. He believed that breakthrough typically arise from unconventional ideas. He prioritized understanding employees' unique viewpoint and requirement, creating a culture where team members feel appreciated and their feedback is considered. For motivation, culture, and value, the emphasis on the motivation and team building is evident in Tesla employee-centric initiative. Fostering engagement through collaboration and innovative projects, coupled with a strong corporate culture that values sustainability and transparency, Tesla creates an environment conducive to excellence and continuous improvement. The last element is controlling function. Controlling function in management ensure that organization operations are in line with plans and objectives by monitoring performance, comparing it to established standards, and taking corrective action as needed. In order to monitoring performance, Tesla has utilized key performance indicator (KPI) to measure their efficiency on financial, production, R&D, and market share. For control in the financial, Tesla monitor their financial health based on revenue growth, operating margin, and cash flow. For production, Tesla monitor the production effectiveness based on metrics such as product produced per day or defect rate. For quality control, centralized decision-making. The functional organization structure practiced in Tesla has given the company the advantage of allowing centralized control from headquarters HQ, ensuring strategic alignment and consistent execution. Data-driven decision-making. For a company that constantly dealing with technology and innovation, Tesla is likely to rely on the data analytics to track performance across various aspects of its operation, from production efficiency to sales and customer satisfaction. By adapting the approach, Tesla is able to address any changes in the market and always stay one step ahead of the other competitors in the market.
Hi, my name is Janesh. I would like to explain about the SWOT analysis of Tesla. Tesla's strengths are in critical drivers of its competitive advantage in the automotive landscape. The company committed to the innovative technology as positioned to its stabilizer in electric vehicle, setting benchmark for the competitors. Additionally, Tesla's strong brand recognition associated with quality and sustainability fosters unwavering consumers' loyalty as a market leader. Tesla uniquely positioned to the shape of dynamic industry, garnering investment and collaborating with opportunities that further cement in the leadership status. Tesla continued to be the forefront of technology advantage in the automobile energy resources, including the battery technology, electric powertrains efficiency, ongoing development of full self-driving capability, and AI infrastructure. The company's work with AI consider the strategic asset. Tesla has accumulated over 3 billion miles of FSD platform by 2025, demonstrating significant investment in AI and autonomy. Tesla maintains the powerful brand image associated with innovating sustainability, high performance in electric vehicle market. Despite increasing competition, its old significant, albeit decreasing, market share in key regions. The Model Y as the best-selling vehicle of any type of several European countries in 2024, and the best-selling vehicle overall China for the same year. And then the brand recognition for supercharger network, vertical integration, over-the-air update. Elon Musk vision. There are a few opportunities in growth in the electric vehicle market, growth in energy storage and energy sectors. The technology is about leveraging AI expert beyond automotive. Tesla's experting in AI intelligence could be leveraged for applicable beyond autonomous driving, potentially opening up new business areas, including humanoid robotic with developed Optimus. R&D ongoing for the development in battery technology could lead lower cost, higher energy density, and faster charging times, further enhance the appeal of Tesla product. The government support for renewable energy and infrastructure. Continue government invest in charging infrastructure and incentive for renewable energy, adopting with beneficial Tesla vehicle and energy business. Regarding the safety and security, any high-profile accidents involving Tesla vehicle using autopilot or FSD could damage public perception and lead to increased regulatory scrutiny and potential liability issues. Cyber security and data privacy concern. As a vehicle become more connected and autonomous, position target security and data privacy concern. As a vehicle become more connected and autonomous, position target for cyber attack, raising concern about data security and privacy. Lastly, I will talk about the government policy potential slowdown in EV demand and changes in government incentive, shift in consumer preference, economic downturn, or change in government policies regarding EV incentive could negatively impact overall the demand for electric vehicles. The elimination of the US federal tax credit later in 2025 is one such factor. Obtaining regulatory approval for the widespread development of obtaining FSD robotaxi service in various complex and potentially lengthy process